Hello, children. Greetings to you all. As I did promise in the class that we will be having one more example for you to study before going on to do your homework. So here we have this video to guide you, and this is the example. It's on the portal as well as a note, so please, after watching this video over and over again, kindly move on to the study materials, download this and copy it into your notes before you go on to do the homework. Good enough, we have quite ample time for us to do our homework. We have Friday today, we have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So enjoy your holiday, but remember to do my homework. Thank you. Let's go on. Example 3 says, 6 equal circular discs are cut out from a rectangular sheet with dimensions as shown. The length of the sheet is 42 centimeter and the width is 28 centimeter. And you see the shape is rectangular. And inside you can see the circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles cut out of the rectangular sheet. So look at this material left. That's what you have in gray color, the shaded portion in gray. That's the material left. Okay, let's see what the question are. We have calculated the area of the material left, which is the portion that is shaded in gray. And B says, if the material left is melted to form similar circular disc, how many more complete circular discs can be formed? These are lovely questions. They require critical, simple reasoning. So let's see. The first thing you want to reason out is, how do I find the radius of the circle? It's not given. But look closely. I want you to look closely. You would see 2 circles together form 28 centimeter, which means a circle is simply obtained by dividing 28 by 2. That would give you 14. Oh, Mr. Matthew, how about this? Would it give us the same? Let's see. You have 3 circles forming 42 centimeter. 42 divided by 3 would also give you 14. So now we know each circle has a span of 14 centimeter. And the span of the circle, remember, from end to end is the diameter. So now it's easy to reason this out. The diameter of each circle is 14 centimeter. Please, each time you have a question that has to do with a diagram, as we've emphasized over and over again, take a little time to study the diagram, do your critical reasoning, thinking on that diagram before going on to answer the questions. It's very important. Now let's see solution. Oh, it's even stated here that this requires geometric reasoning. You can see it there. This requires geometric reasoning. Let's reason together. Step 1. To find the area of 6 circles. All you need to do is find the area of one circle, then multiply it by 6. How do you do that? Diameter of each circle equals the width of the rectangle divided by 2. The width of the rectangle is 28 centimeter. You divide 28 by 2, you get 14. Like we explained earlier, 14 centimeter. What next? It means from the diameter, we can find the radius of the circle. Remember, the diameter is 2 times the radius, or you can say the radius is half of the diameter. So, radius of each circle is 14 centimeter divided by 2. That gives you 7 centimeter. With this, it's easy to find the area of the circle. We use the formula area of each circle equals pi r squared. What is the value of pi? Okay, we know this. We always take this as 22 over 7. R is 7 centimeters. So you have 22 over 7 times 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters. R squared means repeating twice. 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. 7 cancels 7. You see that? So you have 22 times 7. If you do that with your rough sheet and on your rough sheet, please, you may want to do this. You would have 154 centimeters squared. That means the area of each circle is 154 centimeters squared. But we have 6 circles there. As you can see, there are 6 circles. So to find the area of 6 circles, you simply do 154 centimeters squared times 6. Get your rough book and do that. 154 centimeters squared times 6. That would give you 924 centimeters squared. What does that mean? Again, look at the diagram. It means the total area occupied by those circles is 924 centimeters squared. You can see it here. Then, what next? You also need to find the area of the rectangle. That's the full rectangle. Find the area. And remember the formula for area of a rectangle? What is it? Length times width. After that, you then subtract. Remember, you're cutting out these circles from the rectangle. So cutting out implies subtracting. So let's see how you solve that. Area of rectangle is length times width. The length is 42, the width is 28. You do 42 centimeter times 28 centimeter. That gives you 1,176 centimeter squared. Please, on your rough, do this calculation. Each time you're doing the calculation, pause the video, do your working, then continue watching. Very important. Again, area of rectangle is length times width, which equals 42 centimeter times 28 centimeter. That gives you 1,176 centimeters squared. Finally, you calculate the area of the shaded portion. We know that the material left is the same as the shaded portion in this diagram. Okay, so area of shaded portion is area of rectangle minus area of 6 circles. Why did we use 6 circles? Because there are 6 circles here. You see that? Okay, so you have area of the rectangle is 1,176 centimeters squared minus area of 6 circles, which is 924 centimeters squared. You do your calculation, quickly do that on your rough. You have 252 centimeters squared, which means the area of material left is 252 centimeters squared. That's answer to part A of this question. Let's go to part B. To calculate how many more circular discs we can form from the material left, all you need to do is divide the area of the material left by the area of each circle. It's very simple. Now look at this. The area of the material left is 252 centimeters squared. Remember once more that the area of each circle is 154. So you do 252 divided by 154. You do that. We've learned this over. So you have 1.636363. That gives you a recurring decimal. 63 keeps repeating. So you have the bar over the 63. So 1.63. Okay, since the whole number part is 1, it means that one more circular ring can be formed. Very simple. One more circular disc rather can be formed. Very simple. Is that clear? Okay, this is what you do. That's why it's a video. You go over again, watch this video over and over and over, and it's very easy. Do have a lovely holiday and remember my homework, very important. Thank you. Bye for